Welcome back to our research on product and development. The last discussion we had was basically on the components to be considered under methodology. Writing and considering some components in the methodology could be a hard task. But just like what I've said, the best way is to basically practice doing it and writing it based on our experience and based on our further readings. Our discussion today is going to be about project development. The flow of project development should be visualized in this part through pictures, illustrations, or any visual form. There are components to be considered in writing the project development part. Let's go with the first one. The first one is construction procedures. The process in construction or creation of the products will be collected through a narrative in a sequential way. This narrative will be manifested through steps or through procedures. Each step will start from the preparation phase to the completion part with the use of illustrations, pictures, or any applicable visuals placed in figures. You can see through some of the examples given after this video. The next part is try out and revisions. From the words try out and revision, this means trial and error. So researchers get to try and experiment some of the steps, whether it needs revision or try out. But technically, the part of the success of the project is to try the products for some purposes to raise the quality or at the minimum to perform on its intended objectives. This part of the product development will show the attempts in constructing the product and what flaws and failures can have encountered in the process. The narrative of attempts will be shown through a table with the identified flaws or failures and what recommendations are offered to successfully hurdle the attempt in constructing. So you can now see that in doing product development research, you will be able to have attempts in order to know what are the things that you might done wrong or what are the features that should be scrapped in order for your invention or innovation to be feasible.